All right, next we are asked to find the volume of the region in the first octant bounded by the coordinate planes and this surface, z equals 100 minus x squared minus y. All right, so we're going to want to integrate this in this order, dz, dy, dx. And remember, we're not integrating some function over this region. We're just trying to find the volume of this region. So there's not going to be a function in here. We just need to find the limits of integration. So for z, we're going from z equals 0. Remember, we're bounded by the coordinate planes to this surface. So we're just going from 0 to 100 minus x squared minus y. And then for this next integral, again, we're going from 0 to, what we want to do is plug in 0 for z and then solve for y. And so we're going to get y equals 100 minus x squared. That's going to be our limit of integration here. And then if we plug in 0 for y and solve for x, we get that x squared equals 100, so x equals 10. Plus or minus 10, but we're in the first octant, so this is going to be positive 10. So here we're going from 0 to 10. Now we've got this triple integral all set up, and now we get to evaluate it. So this is going to be integral from 0 to 10, 0 to 100 minus x squared, and then this is just going to be z evaluated from 0 to this, so it's just going to be 100 minus x squared minus y dy dx. Now integrating with respect to y, 0 to 10, this is going to be 100 y minus x squared y minus 1/2 y squared. And we're going from 0 to 100 minus x squared dx. All right. Plugging in 100 minus x squared for y, we get, let's see, this is going to be 10,000 minus 100 x squared. Then plugging in 100 minus x squared for this y, we get minus 100 x squared plus x to the 4th minus 1/2 times this squared, which is 10,000 minus 200 x squared plus x to the 4th dx. All right. So this is now, if we can simplify this, 10,000 minus 1/2 times 10,000 is going to be 5,000. This is going to be negative 200 x squared minus 1/2 times negative 200. So this is negative 200 x squared plus 100 x squared. So that's minus 100 x squared. And then x to the 4th minus 1/2 x to the 4th is going to be plus 1/2 x to the 4th. That's 2. And all of this x. All right, now we can integrate this with respect to x. We're going to get 5,000 x minus 100 over 3 x to the 3rd plus this will be x to the 5th divided by 5, so this is 1/10 x to the 5th. And all of this is going to be evaluated from 0 to 10. All right. So 5,000 times 10 is 50,000. And minus x, 10 to the third is 1,000, so this is 100,000 over 3. And then plus x to the fifth is what, 100,000 divided by 10, which is 10,000. All right, so now 50,000 plus 10,000 is 60,000. 60,000, let's see, so is going to be 60,000 times 3 is 180,000 thirds. So we have 180,000 divided by 3 minus 100,000 divided by 3 is going to be equal to 80,000 divided by 3. Oh, that's not, let me write that right here. 80,000 divided by 3. That's going to be our final answer.